I take the stage, moving through the blue light haze. They all watch but don't really see what these movements mean to me. Kimi wa mite iru no, are you watching in this crowded space? Watashi no kokoro wa, my heart is racing at your face. Dancing for the crowd, but moving for you. Every step I take is something to prove. Dancing for them all, but feeling you near. When our eyes connect, they all disappear. Professional smile, practice grace, but my eyes keep finding your face. In the VIP section tonight, where the water casts blue light. Behind these choreographed moves, there's a message just for you. Every spin tells a different tale, one that makes my heartbeat feel. Motochi kaku ni, come closer through this midnight air. Kimi to odoritai, dance with, but I wouldn't dare. Dancing for the crowd, but moving for you. Every step I take is something to prove. Dancing for them all, but feeling you near. When our eyes connect, they all disappear. They disappear. Baby, they disappear. Should I break all the rules? Leave the stage behind. Take your hand in mine. Make this moment true. La la la, watching you, watching me. Watching you. La la la, feeling so wild and free. Feeling free. Dancing for the crowd, but moving for you. Every step I take is something to prove. Dancing for them all, but feeling you near. When our eyes connect, they all disappear. They all fade away. Nothing else remains. Everyone's gone and the water's still. I pull out my mop, just doing my fill. But something about this place calls to me. In empty halls where no one can see. These marble floors and chandeliers been watching me hide all these years. Each night I wait till the last guest fades away. Echo off these walls till the morning calls. Let my voice take flight in the pure blue light, in purple light. Found your note by the water, just me here. Something familiar in the ripples, moving slow. Looking down, getting closer, almost there. Think I know the face, but different from before. Surface getting clearer now, is that looking back at me? Think I saw you in the reflection, not the same as yesterday. Think I saw you in the reflection, finally seeing change. Every ripple shows another part of me. Time has changed the way I move now, way I feel. Standing still, the water moving, breaking through. All the pieces coming together, something new. Oh, the water knows in the quiet of midnight. Oh, the water shows everything I tried to hide. Think I saw you in the reflection, not the same as yesterday. Think I saw you in the reflection, finally seeing change. Finally seeing, finally feeling. Think I saw you, finally knowing, finally growing. Think I saw you in the reflection.
Midnight's calling, and here we are, two strangers sharing scars. I've been holding back these tides inside, playing it cool, trying to hide. But something in your eyes tonight makes me wanna let it all subside. And baby, as we sit here by the water's edge, I feel these walls beginning to break. The surface tension's breaking down as confessions start to flow. When the night gets deep enough to drown it, deep enough to drown, deep enough to drown all these feelings that I've been holding back, come rushing through the cracks. And I'm finally letting go. Strange how clarity comes at this hour, when the world feels like it's ours. Every truth I've tried to bury deep rises up so naturally. And maybe it's the way you listen without words that makes me brave enough to share my world. The ripples of our conversation echo through the twilight. The night deep enough to drown all these feelings that I've been holding back, come rushing through the cracks. And I'm finally letting go. What if morning comes too soon? What if this all fades away? But right now, in this moment, I'm diving deep into what's real. When the night gets deep